Hello everyone, the sleep seekers. I am AJ. I welcome you to your channel. Today we are diving into a subject that's near and dear to my heart, the impact of sleep on mental health. Yes, you heard that right. Your pillow time can make or break your mental well-being. So grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's talk about how we can all get those sweet. Okay, if you have ever felt grumpy, unfocused, or just downright miserable after a night of tossing and turning, you are not alone. Poor sleep isn't just annoying, it can wreak havoc on your mental health. Research has shown over and over again that insufficient sleep is linked to mental health issues like depression, anxiety, and stress. But why is that? Well, when we sleep, our brains are hard at work processing emotions, memories, and stress. Think of sleep as a nightly mental health workshop. Without it, we are leaving the job half done. Lack of sleep can exaggerate emotional responses, making minor issues seem like major problems. It's like trying to run a marathon the morning after a night out, nearly impossible and downright dangerous. According to American Sleep Association, around 50 to 70 million adults in the United States have a sleep disorder. And get this, people with chronic insomnia are 10 times more likely to have clinical depression and 17 times more likely to have clinical anxiety. Kind of an eye-opening, isn't it? I know, this sounds pretty intense, but don't worry, we are not here just to scare you. We are going to uncover some practical tips to help you improve your sleep quality and in turn boost your mental health. So, tip 1, consistency is key. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up. Tip 2, create a sleep-inducing environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using earplugs, an eye mask, or a white noise machine if needed. Tip number 3, limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by your phone, tablet, or computer can interfere with your sleep. Try to shut off these screens at least an hour before hitting the hay. Tip number 4, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down before bed with calming activities like reading, meditation, or taking a warm bath. Tip number 5, watch what you eat and drink. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. They can make it harder for you to settle down and drift off. So, tip number 6, stay active. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep. However, try to avoid vigorous exercise right before bedtime. And finally, tip number 7, manage stress and anxiety. Incorporate stress-reducing practices into your daily routine, such as mindfulness, deep breathing, exercises, or talking to a therapist. I hope these tips help you embark on a journey to better sleep and better mental health. Remember, getting quality sleep is crucial, not just for feeling rested, but for your overall emotional and mental well-being. Improving your sleep quality doesn't happen overnight, but with patience and consistency, you can make a significant difference in your mental health. Remember, a good night's sleep is just as important as diet and exercise for your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on mental health and wellness. Thank you so much.